children, in this video we will learn relation between liter and milliliter, right? So here as we know, liter is bigger unit and milliliter is smaller unit. So here I have written 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, right? In short, we write 1 L is equal to 1000 ml. So half liter is equal to what? How many milliliter? It is 500 milliliter. As we know, a milliliter is a very small amount. So children, you can see here two types of spoon. Here is a teaspoon. So a teaspoon hold about 5 milliliter of liquid, and a tablespoon hold about 10 milliliters of liquid. The liter jug is one container that can be used to measure capacity. The standard size of containers used for measuring liquid are shown here. So children, you can see over here, this type of measuring container generally used for measuring milk. You have seen children, milkman, when you ask 1 liter milk, the milkman use 1 liter of container. That means this type of container which capacity is 1 liter, right? If you ask for 500 milliliter, that means half liter. So which container they will use? They will use this container. Okay, so this type of container used for measuring milk. Children, look at here. This type of container, where you have seen this container used for measuring petrol and oil. Generally you have seen in petrol pump. It is 1 liter of container, 500 milliliter, 200, 100 and 50 milliliter. Children, you can see over here a measuring container of capacity 1 liter. That means 1000 milliliter. So here is already marked 100 milliliter, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 up to 1000 milliliter. That means 1 liter. So children, suppose the water, I fill water up to here. So what you will think? You will say 100 milliliter of water filled in this jar or in this measuring container, right? Now look at here. Here is water level up to here. So what you say children? How much quantity of water filled in this jar? Yes, here is 400 milliliter. So 400 milliliter water stored in this jar, right? Now come to the page number 155. Bottles and buckets. Children, what are you seeing here? Here is one boy and he collected so many utensils. So actually you have to do this activity at your home. What you have to do children? Let's first we read. Get a 1 liter bottle. It can be an empty bottle of water, oil, etc. Right? It is a 1 liter bottle children, easily available at your home. Now collect some bottles and a mug, jug, glass, ball, etc. You can see over here some bottles are here. You can see here jug, bucket, some utensils, pressure cooker. Okay, so you have to collect like that. Then you have to take a bottle whose capacity is 1 liter. Then use the 1 liter bottle to check which of these hold more than 1 liter and which one hold less than 1 liter, right? So here you can check at your home and make a small drawing if you like. It is not necessary, but if you like to draw, you can draw here, and but here you must have to write name. Okay, and you have to write which container hold less than 1 liter, you have to write the name here, and which container hold more than 1 liter, you have to write the name of that container here, right? So children, you will do this activity at home. In previous class I have given this activity, so I hope children you have done. Also I have done this activity. Here I had 3 buckets. One is a little bit small bucket, so I guess the capacity of bucket 1 is 3 liter, so I have written here 3 liter, but I checked by using 1 liter bottle, then I have seen the capacity, actually the capacity of this bucket 1 is 5 liter. Similarly, I have checked bucket 2 whose capacity is 10 liter. So my guess was right. Same way I have done this. So children, also if you have not done, you can do like that. Okay. Turn the page, page number 156. Here is match the right pairs. You can see here some object, and you have to match the correct measurement, right? So children, this is your homework. You can do this at your home in textbook. Okay, no need to write in your notebook. First you do, and then after you will show me. Thank you.